All right, doing another box. For 808Lexus, right side, top box. Good luck, man. Contenders Optic 1920. PSA slow. I think we all knew it was going to happen, right? I hope so too, man. That or Jaw. Chris Paul. Aaron Gordon Silver. And Miles Bridges. And it is Kevin Herter at a 125. Oof. And then we got James Harden playing the numbers game. And oh, is that gold? Oh, that is gold. 9 out of 10. Cam Reddish. Lottery ticket gold. That's a nice one. All right. Thanks again, Jared. That last card made it a little less painful.